Hi, my name is Aditi Prakash. I'm from Chanakya National University and presently I'm an intern at Lextech. In this video, we're going to talk about sexual harassment at workplace. Sexual harassment under IPC is given under section 354B of the Indian Penal Code, which says that a man committing any of the following acts: 1. Physical contact and advances involving unwelcome and explicit sexual overtures, or a demand or request for sexual favors, or showing pornography against the will of a woman, or making sexually colored remarks, shall be guilty of the offence of sexual harassment. Now, in the wake of the Vishaka guidelines, we got sexual harassment at workplace, Sexual Harassment of Women, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, which basically directs towards the sexual harassment faced by women at workplace, which defines sexual harassment is any unwelcome sexually defined behavior which can range from misbehavior of an irritating nature to the more serious forms such as sexual abuse and assault, including rape. The Act defines sexual harassment to include any one or more of the following unwelcome acts or behaviors, whether directly or by implications, namely physical contact and advances, a demand or request for sexual favors, making sexually colored remarks, showing pornography, any other unwelcome physical, verbal or non-verbal conduct of a sexual nature. So any of the following acts, if committed by any party towards a woman at a workplace, which distracts her from her work and makes her uncomfortable in any kind of way, is liable for sexual harassment at workplace under the Act. Now, what are the states in the sexual harassment of women, where states as in the circumstances which may occur or which are present in relation to or in connected to any kind of behavior or sexual harassment. It may amount to implied or explicit promise of preferential treatment in her employment or her employment, implied or explicit threat of detrimental treatment in her employment, or implied or explicit threat about her present or future employment status, interference with her work, or creating an intimidating or offensive or hostile work environment for her, or humiliating treatment likely to affect her health or safety. If any of these conditions are created by the employer for a female employee, then that also comes under the circumstances under which these parties are liable for sexual harassment at workplace. Now, which parties can be liable for sexual harassment? If a person belongs to the person who has harassed, the harasser is from the same organization, or if it's a third party harassment, which means that an outsider being liable of sexual harassment of workplace of a woman in a certain organization. Now, if in both these cases, the female can go and file a civil suit in the court regarding the matter, or she can go to an internal complaint committee, which is a committee that has to be organized, that has to be made in an organization under the UGC guidelines. Secondly, if in case ICC does not exist in an establishment because there are less than 10 people in the establishment, then there is the concept of local complaint committee. Now, if there are less than 10 employees and there is no ICC, a woman can go straight to the employer and complain to the employer. And if in the case that she wants to complain against the employer himself, then she can go to the local complaint committee. Now, this internal complaint committee is within the organization, and it has to have all the members of the organization who are supposed to be anonymous, and in these cases the identity of the victim is kept anonymous in the situation where her reputation is not tarnished and is not put online whereas in most of the cases even the identity of the harasser is kept anonymous, and the entirety of the case is handled with extreme care and extreme precautions, and to ensure that the victim gets justice and gets her right to work and to work in the in her choice of employment, so that she can be completely free and completely comfortable in her work, and the accused, the guilty, gets the consequences for his acts. Thank you.